Hi lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's Fluid Art Galaxy painting. Thank you so much to all my members and subscribers. I'm using a really simple colour palette because I wanted to create a kind of Mars feeling. Let me know if you think it's like Mars to you. So today is another Talent Tuesday. My lovely friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy and I are doing whatever we fancy on a Talent Tuesday. And today I'm creating Galaxy art and I've got a straight pour in this fluid art piece. So here are the colours. I've got Bordeaux red by Arteza, which is going in first into the cup. I'm just putting a little bit of that because that's a very strong colour. Then I've got my rose pink Florescent, and then I've got my shimmering red Florescent, and they're both Pebeo, and this is Pebeo as well. My iridescent gold, my favourite. So I'm going to layer these up and I'm going to do a straight pour, which is literally pouring in the centre of the canvas straight down, and then when I fancied changing the pattern I just move the cup. So I hope you enjoy this process today. It's a completely new thing for me. Believe it or not, I haven't done a straight pour yet. Without experimenting or without doing other things, I thought I need to do a straight pour once and see what happens. So I'm very excited to show you, and I did actually in the white put a tiny bit of satin enamel, and that white was Daily Rowney. Apparently you shouldn't really use Amsterdam white or Amsterdam paint when you're doing a cloud pour. Anyway, this isn't a cloud pour, but there might be a cloud effect. We'll have to wait and see. Very excited to show you today, so enjoy the music and I'll come back towards the end, and I'd just love to know your thoughts on what you think about this Galaxy art.
What if I'm all that you needed? What if you're all that I want? What if our words stop the bleeding? What if my touch could heal scars? Would you throw me a lifeline? Or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time, waiting for a lifeline. Oh, what if there's no other answers? What if it comes down to us? What if we just took our chances? What if our time doesn't come? Would you throw me a lifeline? Or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run closing their shutters and hiding away from the crowds. And all of the hunters are chasing their wonders, and I'm only lost in the clouds. Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight. Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, waiting for a lifeline. Oh. In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Don't let go. In your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly. Never ever giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah.
So I'm using my heat gun to pop any further bubbles and to see a reaction, because there's a tiny bit of silicone in the paints, which I didn't mention earlier. So if you're watching right to the end, I'd love to know if you heard that bit and what you think about the silicone added. And there's a tiny bit of the satin enamel in the white, which created a slightly cloud-like effect. So I'm really excited today to do a straight pour, and I got my experimentation in other ways. So thank you for being here. I'd love to know what you think of this piece, and whether you're creating any of your galaxy-like art, or whether you're doing straight pours. Thank you for being here. I'm excited to see what Kim's got today. Let's head over to her channel. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you, so treat it preciously. Thank you so much. Take care now. Bye.
Nothing will stop us against all